AI revolution. Meta has just made a groundbreaking announcement in the AI world with their latest release. Introducing to the future of AI with Llama 3.1, Meta's groundbreaking open source AI model that's redefining the landscape of artificial intelligence. Meta's been gaining a lot of attention with its Llama models for a while. With Llama 3.1, they've significantly enhanced their capabilities. In this video, we'll explore into what makes Llama 3.1 a game changer, explore its standout features, and see how it's set to revolutionize AI development. The highlight of this release is undeniably the 405B model, celebrated as the world's largest and most advanced OpenAI model. The Llama 3.1 405B model boasts an impressive 405 billion parameters, setting new industry standards. To put it into perspective, parameters function like the brain cells of AI models. The more parameters there are, the smarter the model becomes. The model was trained on over 15 trillion tokens using a staggering 16,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, making it the largest Llama model to date. This colossal training required the equivalent of 30.84 million GPU hours and produced the equivalent of 11,390 tons of CO2 emissions. Meta claims that the Llama 3.1405B can go head-to-head with some of the biggest names in AI, like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet. If we compare the Llama 3.1405B model to ChatGPT-4, Llama 3.1405B proves to be more efficient across various aspects, including chat response, resume summarization, story summarization, and data extraction. Before exploring more about Llama 3.1405B, let me introduce a website where you can find the best tools, like Llama 3.1405B. Welcome to leaveit2ai.com, your ultimate destination for discovering the perfect tool, instantly. Whether you're a researcher, content writer, blogger, or marketing professional, leaveit2ai.com is designed just for you. If you're enjoying our video, please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Leaveit2ai. Now, one of the most exciting aspects of Llama 3.1 is its openness. Meta has released this model as open source, which is a big deal. In the world of AI, open source means that the code and the model are available for anyone to use, modify, and improve. One of the challenges of running the 405B model is its hardware requirements. With 405 billion parameters, it needs approximately 810 gigabytes of memory to run at the full 16-bit precision it was trained at. But the real game changer for Llama 3.1 is its advanced features. Expanded context length. With a context length of up to 128K, Llama 3.1 handles more complex and lengthy inputs effortlessly. Llama 3.1 supports 8 languages such as English, German, French, Italian, Portuguese, Hindi, Spanish, and Thai. Synthetic data generation. This model generates high-quality synthetic data, crucial for training and improving smaller models. Model distillation. For the first time at this scale, Llama 3.1405 enables model distillation, allowing developers to create efficient, high-performing models by sharing knowledge. Experience Llama 3.1405B today in the US on WhatsApp and at meta.ai by posing your toughest math or coding questions. You can also download it from llama.meta.com and Hugging Face, and start developing on our extensive partner platforms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest AI breakthroughs. For more content, check the link to our previous video in the description. Thank you for watching.